Hey, are you in that meeting again? Oh, it's fine, I'll be quick. So I did some calculations and here's what I found out, okay? I realized that I could live comfortably the rest of my life without having to work another day, as long as I die by Friday. That was a little dark. I'm finally filming in my bedroom. I can finally do it because the reveal is out. If you have not seen my bedroom makeover, I'll link it down below. I hope you guys love this new background. Loki is below you and me, so if you're kind of moving around, it's because he's, you know, slamming into the tripod. But where was I headed with this? I don't know. Hope you like the background. Also, tomorrow's video is going to be my kitchen decorate with me reveal, so stay tuned. It's gonna have a similar vibe to this. So anyways, amazing Dollar Tree haul today. But before I jump in, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching all of my hauls, especially my Dollar Tree ones. I'm just really happy that you guys love them, and no matter how many times I get this in a comment, my mind simply can't comprehend it. But when I see someone say, "I've been waiting for your videos all day," I literally can't understand. And I'm a Capricorn. Like, I am always trying to find reasoning, logic, solutions, all the things. I'm very like that, and I can't seem to figure that one out. But anyways, I digress. Thank you. So I walked into this Dollar Tree, you guys, and the first thing that happened was my mouth dropped to the floor. To the floor, because they had a display out, and I'll show you what that item is in a second, but I have so much to dig into, so let's just go in. Okay, where are we going first? Let's go at random today, because I kind of feel like it. Also, there's some construction going on, so if you hear that, that's what that is. All right, I found this 2-in-1 flashlight, so I picked this up. I think it's got just the flashlight itself, and then right here, you can see like on the handle right there, I think it like flashes like an LED light, which is really cool. So this actually got me thinking about what happened on that interstate in Virginia. Y'all, I can't believe that happened. If you were stuck in that, I'm just so, I felt so bad for those people. I can't, like, I literally don't understand what happened there. But if you don't know, they were basically stuck there for a good long time. Like, was it overnight? I mean, it was a while. It was more than 12 hours, right? Anyways, it got me thinking that I need to put in some type of like kit in my car for things like that. So I'm gonna be building a kit, videos coming soon on it. But I got this as part of that. And then I did get some cute little necklaces. I'm gonna be doing a Valentine's Day care package for my daughter, and I thought she would like these. I usually love sending like little necklaces and things for her because I know, she'll take like the Instagram pic or whatever. So I picked up that. And then they had this at my store with the Valentine's Day stuff, but just FYI, if you're gonna look for it, you might also want to look in the kitchen section. But it's a spatula and cookie cutter. How cute is that? I love the way that it's paired together, because if you're gonna do a gift basket, this is gonna look beautiful in that. So I found that. And then spring stuff is also coming out, so pay attention to that. I love the Dollar Tree spring stuff. I shop it every single year. Here it is again. I got these little, what are they called? Trowel? Transplanter? Okay, there it is. And they do have different colored handles, like green, purple, blue, I think. I just went with gray, but I do like to do like some of my own planting. So I got that. And then I picked up these little glasses for my daughter as well. I'm gonna throw it in the care package. I just thought they were really fun. You get 4 to a pack because they do like a little surprise. It's not surprise. They do a little like party favor thing at Dollar Tree. The other items, I didn't think that I could use them for my daughter. They have like little stamps or like little sticker packets and stuff, which are really adorable. But these two things, like the necklace and these, I'm gonna put it in her care package. All right, then I found these gift bags. So of course I picked them up. These I'm thinking about maybe putting in my daughter's care package, which this one's really nice. I love like the white writing, but I got it for this one. This plain one with nothing but red hearts, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna be using this in my daughter's care package. I think I'm gonna do more of like a red theme than anything else, I think. But anyways, so I got that. And then I also found this little cutie. I can't remember if like this was out last year or not. It's all looking so familiar, but it's still cute nonetheless. And I really love the stripes, like the baby pink stripes with the polka dot heart. I think that's so adorable. I'm not the biggest fan of purple, so while I do love the hearts, I just wish it would have been like just red and pink for me, but purple's cute. So I got that. And then let's see, what are I going next? Oh, I also picked up this garland. They have several different options, as Dollar Tree always does. I picked this one up because I love the little gingham hearts. Like, look how cute that is. So darling. It's pretty thin, but you know, layer it, double, triple layer it. I'm trying to think of what I want to do with this. You could definitely use it for tons of crafting, building your own wreath kind of thing. You could also use it, like if you kind of know my style and the layout of my house, you know I have a lot of green garland. This is something I would weave through like those green garlands kind of thing, you know, and just emphasize Valentine's Day. Simple. So I found those. Also, I found these, which I thought were so adorable. I think Dollar Tree has done them before, but I think the packaging on these are brand new because look at the little sweet daisies. Like, those are not dots, those are little flowers, which are so pretty. So I found the pink rose and the red rose. They're single roses. And then I found it in this packaging, which is so cute. But look, they do not have the Valentine's Day tag. They have the spring tag. The floral tag, like not the spring tag, the floral tag. Anyways, with this one you get 3. The roses look absolutely stunning, but you can see with this one the paper is just plain, which I'm glad they did that. I think it was actually the smart move. It just looks lovely this way and then this way. I am going to be sending these to my daughter. Probably just like the red one, I don't really know. All right, so there's that. Then in this bag, I also picked this up for my daughter's care package. See, it's pink. And who cares? I could do red and pink, like whoop-de-doo. But I got this little container. What I have found with these is that it's a really cute way to like build your care package and also nestle it in the shipping box without things kind of flying around. So I could put little like gifts inside each little slot. And then it's pink, it's really cute. And then next to it was this little magnetic container. You can see the magnet right there. I could also fill that up with goodies. I love the clear little window there. So I got it for her care package in mind. All right, then I found new spring gloves, which I always buy my gloves from Dollar Tree. Always. I've never purchased my gloves, I don't think, from anywhere else. This time they have the best patterns I've ever seen them do. So here's this one. Little floral. It looks like one, but it's 2. This one's so pretty. And then look at this one. Again, not a fan of purple, but this one I definitely vibe with. I really, really like it. So cute. Here's a little butterfly one. This one I got for my daughter because like whenever I mulch, she'll help me. So there's that. Look at y'all. The little truck or car. I really don't know. Actually, it's a combination of trucks and cars. I really like the color combos. It's just giving me spring for sure, which I really love. Love the orange there. And then honestly, probably my favorite is the green polka dot. I definitely just looked at this one and just felt like I just thought this one was so completely adorable. So these, I would have to say that my faves are probably these two, like top 2 favorites. But, all right, so we got those. Okay, I was actually going to do a DIY exactly to this. Had no idea Dollar Tree was gonna put this out. And then I said, I don't have to do it anymore. And it is a pom-pom garland. I mean, this is, a pom-pom garland is just something I feel like we generally, that's it, generally do as a DIY. But the fact that Dollar Tree put this out, like you can see like the little garland right there, the fact that they put this out already made for us, I'm shook. Again, this just goes to show that Dollar Tree's paying attention, and I really appreciate that. So we have a mix here of red and a pink solid. This is going to be a game changer. You could string these from like your windows, which looks really cute. I've seen a lot of like Instagrammers do that, and it looks adorable. Backdrop kind of thing, your mantle, console table, your tier trays, your coffee bars, like y'all, the works here with these. So why didn't I get doubles? I never know. This next item is really funny because this was all from one Dollar Tree store shopping trip, but as I was leaving, I was passing by the windows and I saw this item and I thought, how did I miss that? And I went back in to buy it. Now, I've done this before. I can't tell you how many times I leave Dollar Tree and I see things in the windows. I'm like, oh, next time, I'll get it next time. This one, I said no, I'm going back in immediately. They are wooden sticks. This is so adorable. I'm so shocked. I'm trying not to like be over the top because y'all know I'm a mess head to toe. But I've been hauling for you guys for a really long time. So when you see me just like my eyes bug out of my freaking skull, it's because Dollar Tree has not done anything quite like this. And it's just so amazing. These are gonna look cute styled. You could DIY to your heart's content with these. You could pluck them off the little picks. Do what you want with the little hearts. They would be great for food platters, marking, you know, do a little charcuterie board, which I did, by the way. I did a Dollar Tree Valentine's Day charcuterie board. I'll link it down below. Go watch it. You could also like put these in a mug, style your tier tray, and then just have them hanging out the mug, and that would be so cute. I just wish the gold ones were white, which, you know what? I could easily paint those if I wanted to. Also, a brand new item. I've never seen Dollar Tree do anything like this. If they have, comment down below and refresh my memory, because y'all know I don't remember yesterday, nor do I actually remember 5 minutes ago. So, scratch stickers. And underneath the sticker is like a Valentine, like, what was I gonna say? A Valentine Day message. So it just kind of shows you there on the back, but it's like a little scratch off. How adorable. So like for my daughter, what I'll do is I'll just cut one heart out, place it, put like a little penny with it, and you know, let her know to scratch it off. Like how cute is that, you guys? What? So we get the bigger hearts, the mini hearts. I didn't see any other sizes, but there could be like one in between. Who knows? All right. The next couple of things are gnome related. I'm not the biggest fan of gnomes. I think they're cute for sure. I love seeing them. I just don't prefer to decorate with them. But when I tell you these are special, so the first one is this little treat bag, which I just love his little outfit. Gnome body like you. I almost couldn't see it. Gnome body like you. That is so adorable. I love that he's holding, oh, there's no body like you. That's really cute. But yeah, I love that he's holding a little heart. Treat bag is cute. This is something that, again, like for me personally, I would use it to style in a gift basket, fill it with some goodies, maybe some Hershey Kisses, tie it, there you go, a little candy treat. You could fill it with all kinds of things. You could put it in a care package. Also, you could craft with this. If you're like into journaling or making cards and things, you could definitely like do something with this. So I'm sure if you're like into that whole world, you're probably getting ideas. So I found this one, thought he was cute. Then I saw this. This is dang adorable. I don't know who they are, but I want to be friends with them. I want to follow them on Instagram. I want to know if they're vlogging, what they're doing, where they're going. I think they are so cute. Just the whole cartoony vibe of this is adorable, and I also really love that a lot of it is outlined in black. It just makes everything stand out more. Like these hearts right here makes this whole thing for me. Just because I know how Dollar Tree is, I've seen them have hits and misses. This is a hit. This is 1000% without a shadow of a doubt a hit. And look, their little noses are an additional layer. I think the best use for this, two different things. It's gonna look absolutely amazing in the center of a wreath. That's what I want to do with it. But also as tabletop decor. And I've actually done videos where I've taken signs like this and put them on a base from Dollar Tree. I'll find a video like that and I'll link it down below just so you can kind of see the concept in case you want to do it yourself. So, all right. And the very last item, this is what I was referring to in the beginning of my video when I said I walked in and my mouth dropped. Oh my gosh, okay. Let me get them all because there's several. And you guys, the first thing, just instinctively that I did when I saw these on the display, my eyes searched for the sign that said bonus. And there was no bonus. This is $1.25. As a matter of fact, I haven't seen bonus stuff at all in my stores. Have any of you guys? Did they get rid of it? I don't know. Let me know what you know. Okay. This looks like this came from TJ Maxx Home Goods and it's $1.25. Look how cute he is, his hat. Everything about him I feel like is just really well done. His hat's standing up very nicely. There's weight to him. The felt pieces are nice. His little beard is super cute. We have this guy with the sparkly hat. You gotta kind of like get all the hair away from the nose, but look. I hope y'all find this. I do. I hope that's so much. We match. Look at you, boo. I mean, I'm doing a little pink thing today, but he's also got the sparkly hat, but he also has pigtails. Okay. Also, are gnomes just guys? Are they girls? I don't know. And then this one. Pigtails too. I literally was so like, I just saw them like, you know what I'm saying? And they just went in my cart. I was shook, but anyways, I really like this one because I just like the white with the red hearts. Just to show you guys the contrast of the two. So cute. Let me show you these two together. Oh, adorable. Let me show you these two together. This was the only pink one, by the way, that I found. There could be another one. I don't really know. I'm sure by now you've had enough of me. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos. That's it for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed. Tomorrow, like I said, is gonna be my kitchen reveal. Wednesday, I'm hoping that at the end of my Dollar Tree haul, we're gonna work on that Valentine's Day tablescape. We'll see if I get all the items that I need for it. I think I need some tulips. But anyways, so that's it. I hope you guys again enjoyed and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.